Yes.
Okay. The kids playing bubble in the park with his mom.
His mom. Okay, the kid ya. Karena
Yeah,
satu,
the kids.
not the
Kid.
kids. Okay. Where the place it took place? Where is the location?
They play at park. Yeah.
In the park? At the park?
Yeah, at the park.
Ya, at the park. He plays bubbles ya. Menggelembungkan atau meniup? Apa meniup?
Meniup, I don't know, Miss.
Blow. Blow.
Oh yeah, blow.
Yeah, like blow the candles. Yeah.
The candles. Okay.
Blow the bubbles. Yeah. For the pictures number 2.
The kids are playing block with her moms.
Yeah, playing some kinds of Lego. Yeah.
Yes.
Lego blocks
Blocks.
with her mom. What is he build? Apa yang kira-kira dia bangun nih dengan bloknya? With her blocks.
A building.
A building. Yes. Okay, next.
Next, the kids reading book with his mom.
Yeah. What kind of book does she read? Does she read?
Well,
Yeah.
red
Kira-kira dia
books.
baca buku apa?
Maybe comic.
Yeah, maybe a
know.
comic. Okay. And what is the what can you see from these pictures?
The kids are playing bicycle with her mom.
Yeah.
At the park.
Yeah. Maybe this is the first riding bicycle. Yeah. So he's trying to play the bicycle. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, the next one. What can you see in here?
The kids are reading book in the tent in her room.
From? Terbuat dari apa tendanya?
From the kain apa, Miss?
Fabrics? Kain apa kira-kira? What kind of fabrics? Oh, sorry. Kira-kira apa?
Selimut.
Blanket. Blanket, ya.
Blanket.
And can you see lamp in here? Lamp?
Yes.
Light, yeah, cahaya. And the last one?
The last one. The kids cooking with her mom.
Baking, ya. Kalau cooking itu makan, apa makan. Kalau baking itu membuat kue. Manggang. Jadi, what kind of cookies does he make?
Cake. The cake birthday.
Like birthday cake?
Yes.
Yeah, a birthday cake.
A birthday cake.
Okay, next we have, wait a second. Yeah, role play. And this is a conversation between mom and her and his son. Can you read it out loud?
Okay. So today Theo and I are going to be making pancakes. And the first step is I've got to turn on this skillet. It's called an electric griddle. Do you know what this is going to be? What? Super hot. Yeah, this is going to be super hot. Yes, so we have got to push it to the side. And I think I have all the ingredients for us. So let's look at our recipe. Mix the milk and vinegar, Do you know which one of these is milk and vinegar? Milk and vinegar. Bring the milk and vinegar. All right, milk and vinegar. So we're going to put in the biggest bowl. We need three or four what of
Three,
a
four.
cup.
3, 4.
Three four of a cup. Can you hold that out? That's milk. And we're actually going to double our recipe. So we need a cup and a half. Yes, that's milk. Hold it really tight. It's going to be heavy. We're going to fit it all the way up. All right, and then we're going to do a little bit more. A half.
Ya, jadi dari sini ya, yang dari sini nih ada yang kamu nggak tahu kan? Ada nggak yang kamu nggak tahu artinya?
Ada skillet.
Ya, skillet itu
Ya.
wajan.
Oh, jangan.
Hmm.
Electrical griddle.
Electric griddle. Ya, ini apa buat apa? Panggangan apa itu ya? Panggangan
Apa?
elektrik,
Bukan.
pemanggang elektrik.
Oh.
Ya, ada lagi?
Vinegar.
Cuka.
Cuka. Oke.
Ya, jadi ceritanya ini kita tentang apa nih? Can
Dia
you make
membuat
short
pancake.
pancakes?
Ya.
Ya, sedang membuat pancake ya di dapur, in the kitchen. Nah, kalau vinegar ya, bacanya vinegar. Vinegar.
Vinegar. Vinegar.
Ya, griddle. Kemudian apa lagi? Oke, biggest bowl. Ya, oh terus ada tadi resepi ya, resepi, bukan resep. Resepi.
Recipe.
Ya,
Our
resepi.
recipe.
Yang sama kayak
And
pernah
our
dengar kan?
recipe.
Ya, secret recipe. Nama toko. Oke, selanjutnya masih ada tentang role play ya, sambungannya. Coba dibaca lagi.
We are going to eyeball it. That means we don't use the measure cup perfectly. Okay, and the next thing it says vinegar. So we are going to need this. It's a tablespoon. We are going to have to use 4 of those. So can you help me count them? 1. All right, hold it a little bit closer so it doesn't splash. 2, 3, 4. All right, and now it says we have to set that aside because this is going to curdle. What's curdle? Curdle means that it's going to kind of become clumpy. Usually you don't want milk to become clumpy, but in pancake it's going to make it great. It's going to ferment it a little bit. I need to mix it. Let's see a set because we have another bowl we've got to fill. Are you ready? It says mix the eggs and mix the dry ingredients. Okay, so we have got to mix the dry ingredients, which is 4. Nice. You want to be the scuba? Oh, there's a milk in there. Let me get the dry one Let me get the dry one for you. I dumped it out of there. That's okay.
Ya. Sampai sini ada yang tidak tahu? Kata-kata yang tidak tahu, tidak diketahui.
Tablespoon itu apa, Miss?
Sendok
Meja.
itu sendok nakar. Jadi kalau di luar negeri dia nggak pakai timbangan, dia pakai sendok takar.
Takar.
Sendok takaran. Ada lagi?
Kurdel.
Kurdel. Kurdel itu menggumpal.
Menggumpal.
Sorry, kurdel ya. Iya,
mengental.
mengental ya. Kalau clumpy itu mengental. Jadi kan kadang-kadang ya susu di sini kan membicarakan tentang susu ya. Susu itu biasanya kan suka menggumpal ya. Tapi untuk membuat pancakes dia ini kan harus difermentasikan ya. Makanya tadi ada kamu baca tentang about ferment gitu ya. Ya, fermentasi. Jadi kalau misalnya dibikin fermentasi, susunya kan dicampur sama ragi itu biasanya. Susu dicampur ragi, kemudian jadi mengembang ya atau menggumpal, jadi kental dan menggumpal. Jadi itu kelambu. Ya, di sini juga bicara nih, it is going to ferment a little bit. Ya, ada lagi? Mungkin ada kalimat yang, ada kata-kata yang tidak diketahui lagi yang lainnya?
Scooper?
Ya, you want to be the scooper?
The scooper.
Kamu mau yang bagian yang menjadi orang yang nyendok-nyendokin, jadi nyendokin tepung. Scooper. Jadi ada alatnya kan, scoop, ya.
Scoop, ya.
Kalau ada er, jadi tambahin er, jadi dia orangnya.
Orangnya.
The person. Nah, kemudian yang ini bacanya bukan flower ya. Ini artinya tepung. Cara bacanya itu sama seperti bunga. Flower.
Oh, flower.
Flower. Ya. Jadi which is flower. Ya, kalau dump, ini apa tahu nggak?
Enggak, Mas. I dump it.
Membuang. Ya, aku membuang. Maksudnya I dump it out of there. Maksudnya dia nggak sengaja itu membuang susunya. Jadi tadi di sini dia bilang ya, di tablespoonnya there's a milk in there. Jadi di sendok takarnya itu masih ada susunya kan, abis dia ambil susu tadi kan. Let me get dry one for you. Jadi I dump it out of there. Maksudnya si susunya itu ditumpahkan sama si anaknya. Ya, di dalam sendok takar itu. Ya. Kemudian splash. Do you know what is meaning of splash?
Splash itu kayak menyebar. Kayak splash air kan di splash gitu ya.
Splash tuh kayak bukan menyebar, kayak kecipratan.
Ya.
Ciprat gitu ya. Jadi si anak ini ya ceritanya the Theo itu lagi mau lagi saya menakar ya dengan si susu ini, tapi sendok takarnya itu terlalu tinggi, jadi ibunya bilang hold it a little bit closer so it doesn't splash. Jadi agak diturunin sedikit ya sendok takarnya, jadi nggak tumpah-tumpah gitu atau nggak nggak berantakan. Gitu ya. Oke, sampai sini udah tahu ya. Yang lain nggak ada lagi. Ingredients sudah tahu ya. Which is flour. Okay, that's it. Nah, kita masuk ke conversation starters for children activities. Ya, number 1. Tell me, just ini Kak Rara coba bayangkan ya, jadi posisi sebagai anak gitu ya. Oke, jadi tell me about the best and worst part of your day.
The best part of my day is playing with my friends.
Is the best or the worst part of your day?
The best.
The best. Playing with your friend at school or in the playground or where?
The both. In the school and in the home. Both.
At homes and then at
school.
At school. And what is the worst part of your day?
The worst part of my day is wake up in the morning.
Wake up in the morning, that will be your worst day, part of the day. Yeah, because do you maybe like sleepy?
Yeah.
Still sleepy?
Yeah, I feel sleepy.
Okay, and what your favorite game to play? What is your favorite game to play?
My favorite game is PlayStation.
PlayStation?
Yeah, PlayStation. The game name is CTR.
What is the name called again? VTR?
CTR. Yeah, CTR.
Oh,
It's
CTR.
about balapan mobil apa Miss?
Racing car.
Oh, racing car.
Yeah. Do you have scheduled time for you to play or certain time? Ada jam-jam
Yes.
tertentu, particular time for you to play that game?
Yes, I play that game on the weekend.
Only on the weekend. What about weekday?
Weekday, I go to school and play at home with my friends.
Oh, so your mom or your parents doesn't allow you to play game on the weekdays?
Yes, right.
Oh, right. Okay, if you could be any animal, what would you be and why?
If I could be an animal, I want to be
I would
a
be.
butterfly. I would
Why?
be a butterfly because butterfly can fly high.
Can fly high. What about birds? Birds also can fly high.
But butterfly is more beautiful than bird.
Yeah, yeah. So it's like metamorphose, yeah. Berubah, changing. And what's your favorite thing to do in the car?
My favorite thing to do in the car is sleep.
Sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping.
Sleeping, yes. Not singing with your mom, like singing with your family. Yeah, the best music you ever sing, maybe? No?
No.
No, you don't like singing.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what's your favorite cereal? Do you like to eat cereal?
Yes.
Yes. What your favorite cereal?
My favorite cereal is Coco Crunch. Coco Crunch.
Coco Crunch.
Yeah.
What about Fruity Loops? Sorry, is it Fruity Loops? Fruit Loops. Do you like Fruit Loops?
What is it? I just hear from you now.
Oh, you don't know Fruit Loops? I will show you what is Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops cereal. Like this?
Oh, no, I don't like it. I prefer Coco Crunch than Fruit Loops because I like chocolate.
Oh, you like chocolates more than Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
Okay then. So do you love ice cream also? Chocolate ice cream with Oreo on top?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay, next. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a pilot.
A pilot.
A pilot.
Oh, okay. What kind of plane would you want? Would you
Uh, penerbangan luar negeri, komersial,
international flight?
international flight.
Yeah, maybe what about the plane? Maybe jet plane. On the jet plane, no? Or maybe
Garuda
Boeing?
Airlines.
Boeing.
Oh, Boeing. Yeah.
Boeing? Boeing
Yes.
plane? Yeah.
Boeing plane.
Not jet plane or private jet.
No.
Okay. All right. Yeah. And what makes you happy?
I happy when
I would be happy.
I would be happy
Mhm.
if I eat ice cream.
Eat ice cream. If I eat ice cream. So whenever you don't eat ice cream, so you don't happy.
I'm happy too, but if I eat ice cream, I'm more happy.
Yeah, more
I'm
happy.
happiest. Yeah,
Happiest. It would be the happiest
yes.
boy in the world.
Happiest in
Okay.
the
What
world.
pet peeve drive you the craziest? Do you know what is pet peeve?
I don't know, Miss.
Ya, pet peeve itu adalah hewan hewan
Uh,
peliharaan yang mengesalkan, yang membuat kamu drive you crazy, yang membuat kamu tuh menjadi gimana ya, berantakan atau kesal gitu ya.
mm, mm, uh, hamster,
Hamster?
yeah,
Why hamster?
because the the poopy or
Poop?
the
Ya, the poop.
yeah yeah the poop, and then
The poop is
I
so
don't know,
stinky.
yeah,
And then what
and
else?
then I don't know, they're very small, so like ringkih gitu, Miss, kayak cepet mati. Gimana, Miss?
Ringkih.
Iya,
Oh, cepat mati.
iya,
Karena apa tuh, Kak?
and mungkin karena kucing kali ya, stres ada
Oh,
kucing
oh,
gitu.
ya, easy to death ya, cepat mati.
Is
Atau die quickly.
die quickly.
Mm-mm. Okay. And what's your go-to comfort food? Do you know what is this sentence meaning?
Yes,
Go-to,
makanan yang buat dia ya, kayak makanan favorit juga gak sih, Miss?
ya, makanan yang membuat ini tenang ya, menenangkan,
Hmm.
makanan yang menenangkan.
Okay. It's mm, my comfort food is noodle.
Noodles.
Noodles.
Only noodles.
And soup.
Vegetable soup.
Chicken soup.
Or
Chicken soup.
chicken soup. Any kind of soup. Do you
Sorry,
like
Miss?
do you like any kind of soup?
Chicken soup or beef soup?
Okay. With vegetables on it, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. If you could be anything, what would you be and why?
I want to be a pilot because a pilot or pramugari.
Pramugari apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Apa ya, Miss?
Steward.
Attendance. Apa?
Oke. Iya, jadi ada banyak ya istilahnya. Kalau pramugari itu bisa kita, yang umum adalah steward ini untuk laki-lakinya, yang laki-laki, atau perempuannya adalah stewardess. Nah, atau selain itu bisa juga cabin crew,
Cabin crew
ya, atau flight attendant.
Iya, flight attendance.
Flight attendant. Ya, cabin crew juga bisa ya, sama aja. Jadi 3 ini. Ya, jadi apa tadi? Gimana Kak? Cara menjawabnya gimana?
I want to be cabin crew because I can traveling
Yeah, I can traveling to
to
any world,
any country, and
any
is it
country.
free? And it's
Yeah,
free.
free. And can practice English also, yeah.
Yeah.
And what do you usually play at recess? Do you know what recess mean?
I don't know.
Istirahat. Kalau misalnya sekolah itu kan ada break. Recess sama dengan break ya.
Hmm. Ini berarti istirahat di sekolah
Ya,
maksudnya.
ya.
I usually go to the canteen.
Go to the canteen.
Oh.
What do you usually buy at the canteen?
Milk.
Milk?
Yeah.
Only milk?
Yeah, cold milk.
Cold milk?
And yeah, I think this does it.
That is.
Mm.
Okay. And if you could have only 5 toys, which one would you choose?
I choose Lego.
Lego,
Uh-huh. And sniper,
sniper,
ball,
ball,
bicycle,
bicycle. Mhm.
and then car remote control.
Yeah, car. Yeah, remote control car. Yeah.
Remote control car.
And what are your top 3 things on your bucket list? Yeah, do you know what is bucket list?
Ini bucket list itu kayak harapan ya.
Yeah,
Bucket list. Top 3 things on your bucket list. The first, vacation.
vacation with your family.
Vacation, yes, vacation with my family. Number 2, go to the beach.
Go to the beach.
Number 3 is traveling.
Traveling around the world. Yeah.
Oh.
And what's your favorite course? And which one is your least favorite? Do you know
What
what
is
is
course? I
course?
don't know, Miss.
Course itu pekerjaan rumah tangga.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you know what is least favorite?
No.
This one? Least favorite meaning is yang kurang diminati.
My favorite course is, sorry Miss, apa bacanya?
Course. Yeah.
My favorite course is washing clothes.
Washing clothes.
Washing clothes. And my least favorite is iron clothes.
Yeah,
Ironing clothes.
Ironing. Yeah,
ironing clothes.
Yeah, ironing clothes. Okay. Yeah. And what is something that makes you angry?
Something makes me angry is someone lied to me.
Someone is lying to you.
Ya. Kalau kayak gitu mesti pakai ing ya, Miss. Someone is lying to me gitu ya.
Kan mendeskripsikan itu lying. Okay. And why that is make you angry?
Because I feel tertipu.
Tertipu apa?
I don't know, Miss.
Tertipu. Dari kata tipu. Tahu? Tertipu?
Enggak, Miss.
Tipu. Ya. Itu adalah trick ya. Tahu nggak katanya? Kalau ditulis
T-R-E-C-K.
Ya, trick. Being trick.
Oh, pakai trick.
Ya. Ditipu ya atau tertipu sama aja. Yeah, because I feel like being tricked. Ya, aku merasa seperti ditipu. Yeah. And what is something that really scares you?
That something really scares me is if I sleep alone.
Oh, that
If
makes
I sleep,
you really scared.
yeah.
Maybe you can turn on the lights so it will not scares you.
I think it's menambah malah takut mix.
It's making me frightened, yeah. Frightened. Oh, do you always sleep alone?
Serius?
Do you always sleep alone?
No.
No. So you sleep with your mom and with your parents? Do you sleep with your parents?
Yes.
Yes. So you never sleep alone.
Never.
So that's not really scares you at all, sleep alone. Do you want to be famous?
No,
Why not?
because if I'm famous and go to everywhere, everybody knows me,
Mhm.
and they maybe take my picture.
Mhm.
It's very awkward
Awkward,
and annoying
annoying,
for me.
annoying,
Yeah.
yeah, annoying, yeah, and it's very annoying, mengesalkan. Okay, so that could be an advantage, ya. Jadi itu bisa juga dihitung sebagai considered as advantage, keuntungan sebagai as a famous people, ya nggak? But the money, yeah, but once again, the money is popularity. Everyone, I think, like that. Everyone, I think, wants to be famous.
If you want to reach, I think it's not to be famous, but it's to be pengusaha. Apa mis pengusaha?
Entrepreneur,
Oh, entrepreneur.
entrepreneurship, entrepreneur, ya,
Entrepreneurs.
pengusaha atau wira swasta. Do you want to be entrepreneur?
Yes, of course. Entrepreneur.
Ya, gini ya tulisannya. Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Yes. If you had a robot for one day, what would you do with it?
Maksudnya jika punya robot ya?
Jika kamu mempunyai robot untuk satu hari, apa nih yang akan kamu lakukan dengan robot itu?
I would do play together.
Play together. Play
Yeah.
play what? What kind of activity do you want to play with?
Bicycle.
Bicycle? Playing together like bicycle,
Yes.
and then cycling around, yeah, around the
Cycling.
neighborhood. Okay. And which superpower is better, being able to fly? Is better, yeah. Being able to fly or be invincible? Which superpower is better? Being able to fly or be invincible?
Invisible itu apa, Miss? Invisible.
Transparan, enggak kelihatan.
Better being able to fly.
Why?
Because
You're not afraid of height?
no, I'm not afraid high. And if I can fly, I can go to the somewhere be faster.
Without taking any plane, yeah. You don't need to take any plane, but you can fly with your wings. Okay. If all of your toys could talk, what do you think they would say?
They will say that please hold us.
Sorry?
And then please hold us and
Please
not
hold us.
pegang
Yeah.
kita maksudnya, and no broken us.
Oh, jangan ini hancurkan kami.
Rusakin.
Not
Iya.
broken us.
Yeah.
Not broken us
out.
into pieces, ya. Jangan hancurkan kami menjadi berkeping-keping. Atau play with me with care, ya, dengan hati-hati. Bermain bersama kami dengan hati-hati. And what do you like the most about your family? What do you like the most about your family?
I like go to the mall with my family.
Go to the mall with your family. And spending time there in the mall. How
Yes.
do you spend time with your family in the mall?
Eat in restaurant.
Eat
and
in the
play
restaurant.
And play in time zone.
Time zone. What kind of game do you like to play in the time zone?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Riding a motorcycle.
Riding a motorcycle.
Oh, all right. Okay. What is that one thing you would like to know about grown-ups? Do you know what grown-ups is?
Grown up itu tumbuh besar.
Orang dewasa yang grown
Orang
up.
dewasa. That one thing I would like to know about grown up is work. Work, yeah.
Work.
Bekerja.
Yeah,
to get money.
To get money from work. So do you want to make your own money?
Yes.
By working. And what makes you feel better when you sad or upset?
I feel better when sad is eat chocolate or ice cream.
Ice cream, chocolate ice cream. Yeah, don't forget to brush your teeth, yeah. Every time you finish eating chocolate or ice cream or sweet.
Yeah.
Kalau bahasa Amerikanya kan ini ya, candies, ya, permen. Ini kalau bahasa Inggrisnya itu sweet, ya. Manis, ya, padahal itu manis ya, tapi itu permen, sweet. Okay. If you catch another child stealing from another child, what would you do?
I will say to the child stealing that is not good. So please back the stuff to the
return it, yeah.
Please return it. Yeah, and please return it.
Please return it to the first person. Yeah. And which is better, to be honest or funny?
To be honest.
To be honest. Why?
Because if I honest. Everyone can trust me.
What about funny? Do you think it's not important or it's not better? It's not a better trait?
The second. The first is honest.
Oh, so funny will be the second trait. Okay. Which trait do you use to make new friends?
No arrogant.
Arrogant. No,
No
tidak
arrogant.
arogan maksudnya. Tidak sombong.
Yeah.
Not arrogant.
Not arrogant.
And Anika,
play
anything else?
and play together. Apa sih, kayak tidak membeda-bedakan.
Oh, tidak membeda-bedakan, equal ya. Artinya equal. Jadi semuanya itu setara.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you had to pick the name for a new family pet, what it would be and why?
I would it be Flo. The names will be Flo.
Flo. Why?
Yeah. Because the flow is the apa, bergerak ya, lincah.
Lincah.
Iya.
Lincah. Apa bahasa Inggris lincah?
Lincah. Aktif apa sih? Aktif lincah apa sih?
Agile ya. Do you know how to pronounce agile or how do you spelling agile? Like this.
Agile. Oh. Agile. Agile.
Yeah, agile. Lincah.
Agile.
So, because flow means agile. Is it for a boy name or a female name?
The boy name.
Boy name. What about female name?
Female. Flower. Flow and flower. Yeah.
Flower?
Yeah.
It from flow also, right?
Yes.
The same. Yeah. But the meaning is the same. Yeah. Okay. And if you could be any dinosaur, which one would you enjoy being?
Enjoy being T-Rex. T-Rex.
And why do you choose T-Rex?
Because I just know it.
You just know the type of dinosaur is only T-Rex.
Yes.
Oh, you don't know any kind of any dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's it, I think, yeah, for the conversation. Wait a second. I have like this. Yeah. Talking about your things. Oke, sebentar ya. Daily routine. Ya, jadi dari semua ini tentang daily routine ya, vocabulary. Menurut Kak Rara udah tahu semua belum? Atau ada yang baru diketahui?
Udah tahu semua, Miss.
Udah tahu ya, antara perbedaan-perbedaan ini juga udah tahu ya. Oke, untuk times of the day udah tahu semua ya?
Udah.
Ini kemudian ada vocabulary lainnya? Udah ya?
Udah.
Ketika kita membicarakan atau mendeskripsikan hari, ya kita bisa menggunakan ini ya. The present simple. I eat lunch at noon every day. Jadi menggunakan it ya atau kata kerja bentuk pertama. The base form of the verb ya dari kata infinitive ya kan to eat. Jadi di sini yang diambil hanya it-nya aja, hanya kata kerja bentuk pertama. Ya, nah ini bisa jadi kalau subjeknya I, we, you, they, maka it ini tidak perlu ditambahkan s. Kan ada every. Ini pengulangannya. Kemudian kalau she eat, ini pakai s. She eats lunch at 2 p.m. every day. Jadi kalau subjeknya terdiri dari she, he, dan it, maka kata kerjanya perlu ya ditambahkan s. Kalau di sini ada every-nya. Every.
Okay.
Ya. Jadi selanjutnya ini adalah membentuk kalimat present simple ya. Jadi kalau subjek I, you, we, they, maka verbnya adalah eat. Ya, kemudian rest of sentence-nya lunch at 2 p.m. every day. Jadi kalau subjeknya he, she, dan it, maka verbnya harus ditambahkan s menjadi eats. Lunch at 2 p.m. every day. Jadi contohnya seperti ini ya. Bedanya get up sama wake up udah tahu ya.
Apa Miss? Kan sama-sama bangun ya, get up, wake up.
Ya, jadi kalau get up itu dia baru bangun dari tempat tidur, tapi kalau wake up dia baru buka matanya. Tapi posisinya masih di tempat tidur. Jadi kadang kalau misalnya kita bangun tidur, pertama kali kan nggak langsung bangun berdiri dari tempat tidur kan.
Itu wake
Ya,
up.
jadi ada kayak jedanya gitu. Ya, jadi kalau pertama kali bangun tidur, buka mata, itu wake up. Tapi kalau pertama kali bangun, maksudnya bukan pertama kali ya, ya baru bangun dari tempat tidur, ya itu get up, ya. Nah, jadi kalau subjeknya you, we, sama they, maka kata kerjanya di sini tidak perlu ditambahkan s. Walaupun dia pengulangan kan. Jadi present simple ini kan sesuatu hal ke aktivitas yang diulang atau sebagai suatu kebiasaan. Jadi namanya kebiasaan, bangunnya misalnya dia bangunnya selalu jam 7 tepat. Jadi yang namanya kebiasaan itu nggak pernah dia bangunnya itu lewat dari jam 7 atau kurang dari jam 7. Selalu jam 7 tepat. Jadi present simple itu ya bisa digunakan untuk aktivitas seperti daily habits ya, habits. Sesuatu yang sifatnya itu kebiasaan. Jadi selalu dia bangunnya jam 7, tidak pernah kurang dan tidak pernah lewat. Ya. Kemudian we start work at 9 o'clock. They leave work at 5 p.m. Ini kan namanya orang kerja kantoran kan. Pulang mulai kerjanya jam 9. Selesai kerjanya jam 5. Itu kan suatu kebiasaan. Ya, kita jadi bisa menggunakan present simple. Ya. Ketika subjeknya diawali dengan she, he, bahkan untuk nama orang ya, termasuk kata benda, dan ini bisa ada kata gantinya atau subjek pronounnya kan adalah he misalnya ya untuk Rob. Jadi di sini kata kerjanya harus ditambahkan s dari gets ya, starts dan leaves ya, seperti ini ya. Jadi misalnya she gets up at 5:30 a.m. He starts work at 11 a.m. Rob leaves work at 7 p.m. Oke, selanjutnya ini kita mengisi latihan ini ya Kak. Di samping kiri ini ada gambarnya, ya. Kemudian ini ada subjeknya, ya. Kemudian nanti bisa diisi ya. Kata kerjanya nih ada isiannya di bawah, tinggal ditambahkan s atau enggak ya. Jadi tinggal mengisi atau mengisi kata jawaban di sini diisi sesuai nomor dan sesuai kalimatnya ya. Number 1. Kira-kira apa nih isinya?
I leave work at 5:30 p.m.
Ya, number 2.
Bill eats lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Ya, jadi kalau Phil itu kan P dan H ketemu ya. terus ada I sama L. Jadi kalau P ketemu sama H itu dibaca F. Feel.
Oh, iya,
Feel.
feel.
Kalau
Iya.
misalnya ini apa bacanya? Bacanya apa?
Oh, alphabet.
Ya, alfabet. Kalau ini apa?
Telepon.
Ya, cell phone. Kalau ini?
Farmasi.
Ya, pharmacy. Jadi semuanya itu
Farmasi.
dibaca F kan, ketemu
Ya.
huruf P dan H itu ketemu dibaca F. Di feel, ya,
Feel its lunch at 12:30 p.m.
ya. Number 3,
We get up at 8 a.m.
ya. Number 4,
His son starts work at 5 p.m.
5 EM, ya. Number 5,
My sister starts work at 7 p.m.
kalau gambarnya kayaknya bukan start deh, Kak.
Oh, iya, leave.
Ya, leaves, ada S.
Yeah. My sister leaves work at 7 p.m.
Ya, number
Uh,
last.
As they eat dinner at 10 p.m.
Ya, correct ya. Oke, sampai sini kira-kira ada yang mau ditanyakan lagi nggak, Kak?
Enggak, Miss.
Ya, untuk
Cukup.
selanjutnya, what will we do in the next class about topics? Ada topik tertentu mungkin, Karara?
Kebiasaan sehari-hari ya, Miss. Kayak
Oh,
misalkan how to mengungkapkan ke anakku misalkan bangun itu, hey, apa namanya, cara ngebanguninnya pakai bahasa Inggris. Wake
mm-mm,
up is already 7 a.m. Misalkan you will be late for school. Setelah itu kan aku pasti nyuruh mereka mandi kan,
mm-mm.
in Englishnya. Terus itu sih daily habits mengumpulkan ke anak ya. Terus
Oke.
ya dari bangun tidur sampai ya
Oh,
dia tidur
dari
lagi, Miss.
alright. Ya, ini kayak daily activities ya.
Activity, iya.
Ya. Oke, that's I think that's it ya. That's it ya. Since the times is already finished, yeah, and you don't have any question, so we
No,
ended
Miss.
in here ya, in here. Kita selesaikan sampai
Mm.
sini ya, Kak ya.
Oke.
Oke, thank you so much, Karara,
Ya,
and
thank you,
have a
Miss.
great
Ya,
night.
ya, you
Bye
too.
bye.
Bye.